Yo, what is up everybody? It's Patrick, and I'm super stoked to be coming at you live from Singapore. We're talking next level futuristic vibes mixed with lush greenery and mind-blowing architecture. Buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the magic that is Singapore. First up, gardens by the bay like stepping into a sci-fi movie. Imagine giant glowing trees straight out of Avatar. That's the Super Tree Grove. At night, they light up the sky with an incredible show. Next, the Cloud Forest, a dome recreating a tropical mountain climate. A towering indoor waterfall surrounded by exotic plants and mist. It's an immersive sensory experience, like a real-life rainforest. Gardens by the Bay shows our ability to innovate and create a better future. Alright guys, buckle up because we're about to experience luxury on a whole other level at the Marina Bay Sands. This place is iconic, and for good reason. It's home to that insane infinity pool you've probably seen all over Instagram. Let me tell you, the view from up here is absolutely breathtaking. You've got the entire city skyline spread out before you, with all its shimmering lights and towering skyscrapers. But the pool isn't the only thing that's impressive about the Marina Bay Sands. This place is a destination in itself, with a massive shopping mall, world-class restaurants, and even a casino. You could easily spend a whole day here and still not see everything. We're talking designer boutiques, Michelin-starred restaurants, and a buzzing casino. And you know me, I couldn't resist checking out the art installations scattered throughout the hotel. This place is buzzing with life, with people from all walks of life coming together to experience the best that Singapore has to offer. Alright guys, get ready for some serious fun in the sun because we're heading over to Sentosa Island. This place is like Singapore's playground, packed with beaches, theme parks, and enough entertainment to keep you busy for days. We're talking pristine white sands, crystal clear waters, and palm trees swaying in the breeze. Whether you're looking to catch some rays, take a dip in the ocean, or just chill out with a good book, Sentosa's beaches have got you covered. Sentosa is also home to Universal Studios Singapore, where you can ride the roller coasters, meet your favorite movie characters, and basically relive your childhood fantasies. We're talking heart-stopping thrills, immersive experiences, and enough photo ops to make your Instagram followers green with envy. And for all you adrenaline junkies out there, Sentosa has something special in store for you. The AJ Hackett Sentosa. Picture this: bungee jumping, giant swings, and a sky bridge that offers insane views of the island. It's the perfect place to push your limits and create some unforgettable memories. Check out the Sea Aquarium, home to over 100,000 marine animals, or take a stroll through the lush greenery of Sentosa Nature Discovery. Get your wallets ready guys, because we're about to hit up Orchard Road, Singapore's ultimate shopping destination. This place is a shopper's paradise, with everything from luxury boutiques to department stores to quirky independent shops. We're talking designer labels, high street fashion, electronics, souvenirs, you name it, Orchard Road has got it. And the best part, you can shop till you drop without breaking the bank, thanks to Singapore's tax-free shopping for tourists. The street is always buzzing with people, from locals going about their day to tourists from all over the world. And as the sun begins to set, Orchard Road transforms into a lively nightlife destination. Yo, guys, get ready to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and step into a tranquil oasis at the Singapore Botanic Gardens. This place is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for good reason. It's home to a stunning collection of plants from all over the world. We're talking over 10,000 species of flora, from towering trees to delicate orchids. You can easily spend hours wandering through the gardens, discovering new and exotic plants at every turn. Make sure you check out the National Orchid Garden, which houses the largest collection of orchids in the world. We're talking over 1,000 species and 2,000 hybrids in every color imaginable. It's a feast for the eyes and a photographer's dream. And if you're feeling peckish, grab a bite to eat at one of the many restaurants and cafes scattered throughout the gardens. It's a place where you can escape the noise and chaos of the city and reconnect with nature. All right, night owls, this one's for you. Get ready to experience the electric energy of Clarke Quay, Singapore's ultimate nightlife destination. This riverside quay is packed with bars, clubs, and restaurants, all with stunning views of the Singapore River. We're talking rooftop bars with panoramic city views, live music venues with local and international acts, and clubs that pump out everything from EDM to hip-hop. Whether you're looking to dance the night away, enjoy a few drinks with friends, or just soak up the vibrant atmosphere, Clarke Quay has got you covered. And if you're feeling adventurous, hop on a bumboat for a unique way to experience the river. Clarke Quay isn't just about nightlife. It's also a great place to experience Singapore's diverse culinary scene. Yo, history buffs, this one's for you. Get ready to step back in time at the Raffles Hotel, one of Singapore's most iconic landmarks. This colonial-era hotel has been welcoming guests since 1887, and it's hosted everyone from royalty to celebrities to writers. We're talking grand architecture, elegant interiors, and an atmosphere that oozes history and glamour. As you stroll through the hotel's hallways, you can almost imagine the likes of Rudyard Kipling and Somerset Maugham penning their masterpieces in one of the hotel's many writing rooms. Make sure you check out the Long Bar, home of the original Singapore Sling cocktail. This iconic drink was invented at the Raffles Hotel in 1915, and it's still a must-try for any visitor to Singapore. And if you're feeling peckish, indulge in a traditional afternoon tea at the Tiffin Room. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of modern-day Singapore and experience a bygone era of elegance and sophistication. Get ready for a sensory overload, guys, because we're about to dive headfirst into the vibrant world of Little India. This bustling neighborhood is a feast for the senses, with its colorful temples, aromatic spice shops, and bustling street markets. We're talking the scent of incense and spices filling the air, the sound of Bollywood music blaring from shops, and the sight of vibrant saris and dhotis everywhere you look. Make sure you check out the Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple, one of the oldest Hindu temples in Singapore. This colorful temple is dedicated to the goddess Kali, and it's a great place to learn about Hindu mythology and culture. And for all you foodies out there, Little India is a paradise. We're talking authentic Indian cuisine, from spicy curries to fluffy naan bread to sweet gulab jamun. Get ready to experience the heart and soul of Singapore's Chinese heritage in Chinatown. This vibrant neighborhood is a fascinating blend of old and new, with traditional shop houses standing alongside modern skyscrapers. We're talking the scent of incense wafting from traditional medicine shops, the sound of hawkers touting their wares, and the sight of red lanterns strung across narrow streets. Make sure you check out the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and Museum, a stunning temple that's said to house a tooth relic of the Buddha. This architectural marvel is a must-visit for its intricate design and spiritual significance. And for all you foodies out there, Chinatown is a culinary paradise. We're talking Michelin-starred dim sum, hearty bowls of noodles, and mouth-watering street food. Alright guys, we've explored the streets, gardens, and islands of Singapore. But for the grand finale, we're taking it to the skies on the Singapore Flyer. This massive observation wheel offers breathtaking panoramic views of the entire city. As you soar 165 meters above the ground, you'll be treated to unparalleled views of Singapore's iconic skyline, sparkling waterfront, and lush greenery. We're talking the Marina Bay Sands looking like a giant spaceship perched on the waterfront. The super trees of gardens by the bay glowing like giant alien flowers, and the ships in the harbor looking like tiny toys. It's the perfect time to capture some unforgettable photos and create memories that will last a lifetime. So there you have it guys, my whirlwind tour of Singapore. This city is truly one of a kind, a melting pot of cultures, a futuristic metropolis, and a green oasis all rolled into one. From the stunning gardens by the bay to the vibrant streets of Little India, Singapore has something to offer everyone. Trust me, you won't regret it.